20 Health Benefits of Tomatoes. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. Enjoy watching. Here are the 20 health benefits of tomatoes. Tomatoes are not only delicious but also offer numerous health benefits due to their rich nutritional profile. Here are 20 health benefits associated with consuming tomatoes. 1. Rich in nutrients. Tomatoes are a good source of essential nutrients, including vitamins A, C, K, and B6, as well as folate, potassium, and dietary fiber. 2. Antioxidant Powerhouse. Tomatoes are packed with antioxidants like lycopene, beta-carotene, and vitamin C, which help combat free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. 3. Heart health. The lycopene content in tomatoes has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease by lowering LDL cholesterol levels and improving blood vessel function. 4. Cancer prevention. Lycopene, in particular, has shown potential in reducing the risk of certain types of cancers, including prostate, lung, and stomach cancers. 5. Eye health. Tomatoes contain vitamin A and other compounds that promote good vision and protect against age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. 6. Skin health. The antioxidants in tomatoes contribute to healthier skin by protecting it from sun damage, improving collagen production, and reducing signs of aging. 7. Bone health. Tomatoes contain vitamin K, which is important for bone health and plays a role in calcium absorption. 8. Digestive health. The fiber content in tomatoes supports healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and promotes regular bowel movements. 9. Weight management. Tomatoes are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great addition to a weight loss or weight management diet. 10. Diabetes prevention. Some studies suggest that regular tomato consumption may help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. 11. Anti-inflammatory properties. The combination of antioxidants and phytochemicals in tomatoes has anti-inflammatory effects that may help reduce chronic inflammation in the body. 12. Blood pressure regulation. The potassium content in tomatoes helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels and supports heart health. 13. Brain health. The antioxidants in tomatoes have been linked to improved cognitive function and a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 14. Hydration. Tomatoes have high water content, contributing to hydration and promoting overall health and well-being. 15. Immune system support. The vitamin C and other antioxidants in tomatoes boost the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. 16. Detoxification. Tomatoes contain sulfur compounds that aid in the detoxification process by supporting liver function. 17. Anti-allergic properties. Certain compounds in tomatoes have been shown to possess anti-allergic properties, helping to alleviate symptoms of allergies. 18. Oral health. The antibacterial properties of tomatoes can contribute to better oral health by reducing the risk of gum diseases and cavities. 19. Blood clot prevention. The vitamin K content in tomatoes plays a role in blood clotting, helping to prevent excessive bleeding and support wound healing. 20. Mood enhancement. Tomatoes contain folate, which is important for serotonin production, a neurotransmitter that contributes to mood regulation and mental well-being. It's important to note that while tomatoes offer various health benefits, individual results may vary, and they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Brightest Life will be happy for your generous comments on our videos. Till next time.